13 hidden gems from Amazon. These are things I got in a recent haul that I am totally loving and I could not wait to share them with you. It's actually 13 from Amazon. 2 of the items are not from there, but they're equally as good. Now, you know the drill. Everything will be linked in the description below, pinned to the comments, or at the QR code on the screen. We're gonna jump right into it with number 1, which solves an embarrassing problem. Okay, number 1, a little fun fact about Jill. I am a sweater, you guys. I sweat, I've always been this way, and wow, when I tell you, do I wish that this product was invented when I was in high school, would have saved me a lot of embarrassment. So I love pastel tops, but I sweat. And if you know, you know. The two do not go together great because you can see it in your armpits and it's so embarrassing, okay? So when I was a teenager, I actually think this is pretty genius of me. I would take a panty liner and line like the inside if I was wearing a pastel shirt and I knew I was gonna be hot, and I would put a little panty liner in there to catch it, right? So this is essentially the same idea, but they stick so much better. The panty liners were not really made to do that, and it never really adhered correctly. These are the same type of thing, but they're made to fold over that armpit of your shirt. So if you are like me, A, please let me know in the comments so I feel less alone, but B, these are the solution. So anytime you know you're gonna be wearing a pastel top and you are worried about the embarrassing pit sweat, you can now put these liners in there and go about wearing your cute top worry-free. Okay, number 2 might be all in my head, and if it is, that's fine. I'll take a placebo any day, but I feel like it is working. So I have such like ADD and trouble focusing, especially midday when I need to be getting work done. So I found these. It looks like a little deck of playing cards. These are called focus strips. You get 30 in the pack. Open it up. There is just a little dissolvable berry flavored strip that you put into your mouth, let it dissolve, and it's supposed to help you focus. It has magnesium, L-theanine, and I don't know, again, maybe it's all in my head, but I'll take it, whatever works. So midday when I'm feeling sluggish or like I just need to lock in, I pop one of these and I swear they help. Okay, and then I didn't really organize my list very well, but remember about 2 minutes ago when I was telling you at number 1 how I get hot all the time. So number 3 is this clip-on portable fan. I got this out of necessity because when I work out at our gym is 2-story. I love it, it is awesome, but I'm telling you, there is no air movement on that 2nd floor, and that's primarily where I am, I feel like. So I was like, I need a fan or something, or I'm going to pass out. So I got this to clip on to like my belt. It can blow underneath your shirt. You could clip it onto your shirt. A lot of different ways you can wear it, but it is so good if you work out, or maybe you're doing yard work, or you're at a sporting event, or you're at the beach and you're just hot and you want like a personal fan, but you don't want to have to hold one. This is a great solution. Number 4 and 5 are my latest favorites when it comes to underwear, because I feel like I'm always searching for good pairs and coming up short. These finally are so good. So first, we have this pack of bamboo underwear. When I tell you, these are full coverage, they're not riding up, which is always so annoying, but they are cooling, they are soft, and they're so breathable, which I love. Truly, you wear these, it feels like you're wearing nothing at all. They come in a pack with like 5 or 6. Oh my gosh, game changers. I love them. I immediately ordered a 2nd pack as soon as I got them because I love them so much, and I ditched any old pairs because I was like, this is all I'm gonna reach for when I go to reach for underwear. So I love those. Number 5, also a great pair, full coverage, but remember how in the past I've shared the thongs with the built-in liner? So if you're wearing like leggings or something, it prevents a frontal wedgie situation. Well, this is the same idea, but in a brief style, which is nice because we don't always want to wear thongs. So I love the full coverage, but now with that built-in liner as well. So again, great for, you know, any outfit, but especially leggings. Number 6 and 7 go hand in hand. So first up, number 6 is this scallop bamboo tray. This sells out all the time, so I'm hoping it's in stock by the time you're seeing this. I got this to put my coffee maker on so that it's very easy to pull it in and out when I need to use it. You could use this for any appliance, and it has like little wheels and it'll slide in and out, and I just love anything scalloped. So love this tray so much. However, the wheels on the bottom, over time I found that as I was dragging it across my counter, they were creating these black, they weren't scratches, but just black marks that I did not want to be occurring on my countertops. So that leads me to number 7, which are these little feet that you can put onto the bottom of wheels like this, or even a heavy appliance to also help glide it in and out. Could not be easier. So what I did was I just stuck one foot onto a wheel of each wheel on this slider, and now it glides in and out and it doesn't make the marks on my countertop. So love both, but again, those little feet work on, if you don't want the sliding tray, they're sort of the same idea. You could put them under a stand mixer, under your coffee maker, and use it to help glide it in and out easily. Number 8 made me laugh a little bit because my dog is 16 years old and it has taken me 16 years to finally find a good travel dog dish or dog water bottle. So this is a stainless steel ball. I love that it's stainless, not plastic, keeps water cooler inside. And then it has a silicone dish that folds over it when not in use. You unfold it, open it up, the water pours right out. It's easy for them to drink out of. Here's what I love about it. If they don't drink all of the water, you can easily get the water back into the ball. So many ones that I've tried in the past don't have a way for the water to go back inside. If you're out and about, it's not an issue. You can just toss the excess into the grass or something. But a lot of times I'm giving my dog this water bottle when we're on long car rides, and if he doesn't drink all the water, I'm like, what do I do with this water? I'm in the car. So now you can easily pour it back inside. So love that they thought of that. This is a great one if you have furry friends as well. Number 9 are these hanging vacuum seal bags. These are so good for maximizing closet space, but also just for putting away winter coats or sweaters or dresses or suits when you're not using them. So what I love about this is you can hang, I believe it's up to 5 on each one. The pack that I will link comes with like 2 large and 2 small. The large is obviously good for like long dresses, coats, suits, things like that. The shorter ones are great maybe for sweaters or shorter coats. So you hang them in there on their hangers and then seal up the side, stick the vacuum on it, it's gonna vacuum seal it, hang it, and it is going to double, if not triple, your closet space. Now, my only pro tip, make sure whenever you are sealing the side, and it comes with like a little clip that's gonna help seal it along, you want to make sure that's really, run that over there a couple times to make sure it's good and sealed, or the air will leak back out. The first time I did it, the air all came back out and I was like, what the heck are these duds? And then I realized I just didn't have it sealed well. So just run it over, make sure it's good and closed, and it's gonna stay nice and vacuum sealed. Number 10 is my go-to for when you want your house to smell clean, but you don't want it to smell like cleaners. So this is a lemon deodorizing powder. You of course can use baking soda, but that doesn't have a scent. So I love that this has this nice fresh lemon scent. It's gonna smell like a lemon tree is in your house. You can use this on carpets, mattresses, upholstery, and then just vacuum it up. And oh, let me just tell you, wherever you use this, it's gonna just smell divine. Number 11 is this hat organizer. These actually come 2 to a pack, and I love these because they allow you to utilize wall space. I love anytime you can do that when organizing. So this way, my husband has a ton of hats, so many hats. I didn't even know it was possible to have as many hats as he does. My son is becoming the same way, and they were just stacking them on top of each other. But then I was like, you can't see what you have. To get to each one, you got to remove all the others. So with this, these organizers just stick to the wall. You just pop the hats in, you can see them all, and when you need one, you can easily grab it. Number 12, listen, it's rare when I say this is something every single home can use, but this is one of those items that every single home can use. These are a pack of, I'm calling them detailing picks, and some have like a little like pick at the end, some have a little scraper, some have like a little hook. So many uses for these. I got these for detailing my car, cleaning out just the grooves, getting into like the little holes that are in the seats, but you can also use them to clean, like you're seeing in the video here, along the stove if you have one like mine, or just to bust up any stuck on gunk. You can use them for stickers or labels. Truly multi-use tools that will save your fingernails. You don't have to use scissors or razor blades. These are just so much easier, great to have on hand. Number 13 kind of reminds me of the Dickie. You know how the Dickie is like meant to look like you're wearing a turtleneck? Well, this is a shawl, almost meant to look like you have a sweater draped over your shoulders. So it's just like a smaller, thinner version of an actual shawl, which a lot of times can be a lot bigger or maybe too thin. So this is a sweater material, and it's just meant to drape over your shoulders and give you a little extra warmth whenever you are cold or chilly. So I bought this looking ahead to some travel that I have coming up, and the airports are always freezing, but also for fall and winter. I just thought it was so cute. Number 14 I've shared before, but they have new patterns out, so I wanted to share it again, but this is Wild Deodorant. I am absolutely unequivocally obsessed with this deodorant because it is the only clean ingredient one that works for me long term. I have tried so many in the past, and what ends up happening is they work great for a week or two, and then I start to notice odor just mixed with deodorant. remember at the beginning of this video, I told you I sweat. So I have put this to the test, especially this summer. And I will be like double, triple checking. I'll be at the gym sweating profusely and I'm like, I still just smell deodorant. No odor mixed in with it. It is magic. No paraben, no aluminums. They have the best scents and the cutest tins. This is the other appeal to them, is that they have refillable tins. So once you buy a kit, then going forward, you just buy the refills. The deodorants last me like 2 months, and that's with using it twice a day, you know, in the morning before the gym, and then again when I come home and shower. I cannot say enough good things. This is not a sponsored post. I just absolutely love this product. So again, they have some new patterns, so I just wanted to shout them out again. I will drop the link in the description below. If I have a code, I'll look to see if I have an active code, and if so, I'll put that too. But it is worth every penny the best. And then lastly, number 15, also not sponsored. I just truly love this product, and that is Grüns. I've talked about these before. You've probably heard so many people talking about Grüns. They're definitely popular, but for good reason. Here's why I love them, okay? First of all, I love the individual packet. Perfect for travel, but it is like a little candy snack pack. It's the only supplement I truly feel like I stick with, and I take one a day without question, because it's like my sweet treat midday. So I eat my lunch and when I want something sweet, I just have one pack of these. They make them for kids. My son literally, I think, thinks they're like a packet of like gummy, whatever, like candy. He asks for them and takes them. Doesn't know I'm sneaking in some healthy stuff. This is your greens, your prebiotics, your gut health stuff, your vitamins and minerals, whole food, fruits and vegetables, all packed into one. And I like that it's not just one gummy, it is a packet of it. So again, it's like a sweet treat of candy. And did I already say great for travel too because of the packet? So anyway, if you've not tried them, I think that you will like them. This flavor, their latest raspberry lemonade, but by the time you see this video, I don't know if that'll still be around. Any of the flavors are good. The original is great. I will drop the link I have in the description. I believe you can save up to 52% off on that, or they're at Target. Either way, I love, love, love Grüns. And there you have it, just some of my latest favorites from my recent Amazon hauls that I wanted to share. Again, everything's linked in the description below, pinned to the comments, or at the QR code on the screen, and I will see you in my next video.